Maxim 71. The Most High sees a fault and conceals it, and a neighbor sees it not, but shouts. Let us take refuge with Allah. If people know our faults, no one could have rest from interference by others. Maxim 72. Gold is obtained from a mine by digging it, but from a miser by digging the soul. Vile men spend not, but preserve. They say hope of spending is better than spending. One day thou seest the wish of the foe fulfilled, the gold remaining, and the vile man dead. And I was reading in another book that I was presenting something about, people dying and all the wealth that they're leaving. It's like, see, why did they leave it? It's like, well, had they given the charity and had the good influence, well, that would go with them. But, just this wealth that's being inherited, these homes and gold and all that stuff.